Welcome to 4073 34th Street, this stunningly renovated 1920s bungalow in the heart of San Diego. So we're located here in the corridor between North Park and Normal Heights, and my client has done so much to bring this house to the market. First off, they moved the front door from over here to here so the flow of the living room is better. The heart of the home is the custom-built kitchen, designed with thoughtful precision. After a year of living in the house, every inch is maximized for storage, combining style and functionality seamlessly. Enjoy the convenience of a fully permitted second bathroom with a laundry area cleverly tucked away in the spacious walk-in closet. Reduce your utility costs with energy-efficient solar panels. Step outside to your private oasis, this beautifully landscaped home with fruit trees and a detached home office for your remote work, a 2-car garage for your creative projects. With ample parking and storage, this prime location, 4073 34th Street, isn't just a home, it's your future lifestyle. Don't miss your opportunity to own this exceptional property in one of San Diego's most sought-after neighborhoods.